If you've been lying in bed at night thinking, what if I can't handle labor? Or what if breastfeeding doesn't really work for me? How about this one? What if my body doesn't do what it's supposed to do? Well, first of all, you're not alone. And second, I want to share the one hack that's helped my moms go from full panic mode to actually feeling ready. It's simple, it's free, and you can start using it right now, today, even if you're still months away from giving birth. So if your brain has been on a nonstop anxiety loop, this is gonna feel like a deep exhale. All right, now here's something I wish more people would say out loud. Fear in pregnancy is normal. Let me say that again. Fear in pregnancy is normal. But staying stuck in it, well, that's optional. In fact, you've probably already done the research. You might be prepping like crazy, but every time you picture the moment of labor or that first latch, your heart starts racing. Well, here's why. Your brain doesn't calm down just because you know something. It calms down when it feels safe. And that's where this simple but powerful tool comes in. The tool that has helped my moms shift from fear to grounded calm, even when they had no idea what to expect. Okay, you ready for the magic? It's called 5-5-5 breathing. Let me say it again. It's called 5-5-5 breathing. You inhale for 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, and exhale for 5 seconds. It sounds simple because it is, but it works incredibly well. And here's what it does. It slows your heart rate. It signals safety to your nervous system. It brings oxygen to your brain, and it helps you to shift from fight or flight into rest and digest mode. Now, you might be asking, why does this matter for labor and breastfeeding? Because fear and tension increases your level of pain, but calm and oxygen actually helps to reduce it. In fact, in birth, your breath is your most powerful comfort tool. It's free, it's available 24/7, and it travels with you to the hospital or wherever you're gonna birth. So let me tell you about Jasmine, a first-time mom who joined my course. When Jasmine first came to me, she told me, I'm absolutely terrified of birth. I don't know what to expect, and I'm scared I'll freak out and forget everything that I've learned. Totally normal. We walked through the birth blueprint together, but the first thing I had her practice daily was the 5-5-5 breathing. Just 1 minute, that's it. Fast forward to her labor. She says, I felt the contraction start and I automatically went into my breath. I didn't panic, I didn't freeze. I actually felt in control. And when it came time to latch my baby afterward, I used the same breath to calm my nerves. It helped me stay grounded even when I was trying to figure things out. It's wild how one tiny shift can have such a big ripple effect. Breath work might not sound fancy, but it's powerful, especially when it comes to birth. Let's do it together right now. Sit up tall, close your eyes if it feels good, and I want you to inhale for 5, hold for 5, and exhale for 5. Now I want you to do it 2 more times, and then open your eyes. Feel that? That drop in tension, that slow, steady energy. That's what I want you to tap into when you're feeling panicked about the unknown, when you're early in labor, and when you're crying in the middle of the night during postpartum. This is your reset button. And once you learn to use it consistently, it changes everything. Look, most first-time moms try to prepare with information only. But real transformation happens when you connect your mind and body. This one hack, your breath, it's the gateway. It grounds you, it regulates your emotions, and it gives you space to respond instead of react. It helps you birth like a boss. It helps you feed your baby with calm and confidence, and it reminds you you've got this. Now, feeling calm is just the start. Imagine what would happen if you went all in with a real plan for birth and breastfeeding, and postpartum for that matter, a plan that actually makes sense. Well, that's exactly what we're talking about in the next video. In it, I'm going to show you exactly how to take this calm feeling, the grounded feeling that you're feeling right now, and turn it into action steps that'll actually change your entire birth experience. All right, go ahead and click to watch now. You don't want to miss this one.